Yo guys, it's Gaming JH here, and today it's another one, the million coin pack opening. Here we go, I'm just going to open normal packs. First of all, 3 normal ones, and then yeah, we'll get into it. Wow. Oh, nice. Okay, we'll get into this. Star. Let's go. First pack, Farm. Okay, that's decent. Next one. Next pack. Footmas. Cam. Oh, Dimitri Payet 87. Guys! Guys, what a pack! No way! No chance, guys. Got Neymar, Payet, Lundberg, and Milner. I'm saving that pack. I'm gonna call it YouTube Look. YouTube. If you can actually see this Snapchat, I'm so sorry. YouTube Look. Oh my god. Okay, come on. Next pack. Farm. Cam. Oh, I swear. Got De Bruyne. And then Farm. Go next one. Got Champs. Goalkeeper. Casual back. I'll take that. Dad, wait a sec. Wait a sec. Oh my god, these Snapchats. So annoying me. Right, okay, come on. Timothy, guys, Timothy Suarez, come on, guys, Timothy Suarez, let's go. Team of the Year Suarez. Legend. No way, guys, these packs. We will end it here. Okay, guys, I'm ending it here. We'll do a second part. Okay, this is amazing, guys. Right, see you next time.